Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 2009 BMW Z4 that you can see behind me. I hope you like the videos. It's a nice car actually. We just took it in part exchange. Hope it works for you. Hi, right, let's take this 59 plate BMW Z4 2.3 S-Drive 6-speed manual for a spin. The S-Drive part of it is simply that you can change the characteristics of the car by putting it into sport mode, which changes the steering weight and the throttle response and what have you. We took it in part exchange yesterday. I did around 80-85 fast miles in it last night, and I've done a few miles this morning. Drives absolutely perfectly. I've never had one of this shape of Z4 before. I've had the earlier one a couple of times, but yeah, it's rather nice. Certainly enough room in it for me. I'm 6'6" and I'm not cramped. It's pretty good. Right, let's fire it up. Press the starter button. All the warning lights come on and go out as they should. It's showing just under 65,000 miles, so that's what we'll say it's done. Into gear, electronic handbrake off, and off we go. The hood does work, incidentally. I'm just going to keep it in normal mode, I think, for the time being, because as I say, the sports mode, all it does is change steering weights and throttle response, and it's quite quick enough, and it's a horrible wet day here today as well, so and now we've got a van pulled out in front of us. Hopefully he'll turn off in a minute. Yep. Has just had a brand new screen in it, as we told the chap we were taking it in part exchange from that needed to be done before we took it. One thing that perhaps it does need is a new wiper blade on the driver's side, because it's got a slight tear in the wiper blade. But no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. It just powers along, brakes nicely. Fifth. So no issues under braking, no funny noises. Just had to brake twice quite sharply. Track's beautifully straight, no problems there. Gearbox is really nice on this actually, I really like it. It snicks in and out of gear very nicely. No clutch slip or anything. It's not stupidly quick, it's just nicely fast. It does sound good, that BMW 6. Just no nasties with it at all. There's no suspension noises. So the only thing I can criticise is that the driver's wiper blade needs to be replaced. But aircon seems to work. When I say seems to, it's cold here at the moment, so even if we turn it ice cold, we'll never know. But it does clear demisting and stuff like that when you put the aircon on. So I think it is probably quite dry. Can hear a faint rattle coming from somewhere at speed, but I can't figure out where it is. It may be my bag is sitting in the footwell, because I don't remember it doing it last night. My bag is sitting in the footwell. It might be that that's rattling slightly. Whatever it is, even if it's a piece of trim, it's nothing to do with the way the vehicle performs. It's got heated seats. Yeah, I like it. I like it more than I thought I would. It certainly performs without any issues at all. BMW professional stereo system. Yeah, there is a slight rattle coming from somewhere else. I think it might be just behind me on the hood. Well, we'll just go on a bit further. Lovely gearbox on it. Fifth, sixth. There's a lorry in front of us, so we can't give it some beans down here. But yeah, quite an impressive car. Got a Parrot Bluetooth system on it as well, but I haven't tested that, so I don't know if it actually works. Right, I think we'll pull up in a minute because there's not a lot more I can say about it. It just does what it's supposed to do. Quite an effective fashion. Pull over when we can. So there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more info. Okay, we'll do a quick video of start up an engine running on this BMW Z4 that's just come into us in part exchange. I did around 80-85 miles in it when we took it, bought it back from the guy that we delivered Land Rover to. Drove absolutely beautifully, but we'll say we'll start it up. It's fairly warm now. I've just done 8 miles coming into work, and so key in, start the button pressed, starts nicely. All the warning lights will go out. Top left is the handbrake light, and the right hand one is the seat belt, because I haven't got my belt on. And we'll get out without trying to move the camera too much and show you under bonnet. Sorry about this. This is tricky. Right, I'm not sure this is going to work really, doing this in the future. Anyway, here we are under bonnet. No funny noises, starts beautifully, runs nicely, and it is rather quick. It's got the 6-speed manual gearbox with the sport mode, which really changes the throttle response and the steering response. But there you have it. That'll do, I think.